Today I'm going to show you how to save your Adobe Illustrator file, preserving its layers for use when you import it into Adobe After Effects, so you can animate the separate layers. File, new. Okay, call that import for this purpose. Draw some shapes, any random stuff, doesn't really matter. 3 or 4. Get a brush, do a line, whatever. Click on the layers button, which is here. You see your layers and see the paths. So click on the master layer, click on this icon here, release the layers in brackets sequence. Now you've got 4 more layers under the master layer here, or the root layer, I suppose I'd call it. Click on this one here, the first one under the master layer, and then press shift and click the bottom one so they're all selected, and drag them above the master layer, so this becomes the master layer and the others beneath it, and the one which was the master layer, you can now delete that. File, save, import.ai, that's what I'm calling it for this purpose. Okay, minimize that. After Effects. Now we'll import it into After Effects, and you'll see that the separate layers are preserved. Composition, new composition, 1920 by 1080, doesn't really matter for this purpose. File, import, file. There's our import.ai, which we saved just now from Illustrator. Click on that. Import as, select composition, retain layer sizes. Select that, press open. And there's our composition, which is a Adobe Illustrator file which we imported. Double click that and you'll see all the layers which we saved. You see? If I set a background, if I create layer new solid with a colour of, say, green, you might be able to see that better. I put it at the bottom. Excuse me. There we are. You can now see the separate layers which we drew in Illustrator. So there you go. Manipulate, animate to your heart's content. Thanks.